It's coming. I remember I'm showing a couple weeks ago. That's what I say. Usually because I do it every year. I love my little indoor garden, you know? Yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. Get around every weekend time outside I work. And one thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to, so as I said, this was a little quick video. Yes, family. Good evening and give thanks to another great rise. We are here in the cave, aka the greenhouse, or the makeshift greenhouse. Alright. So I just want to go on a quick. That video not go long enough. I just want to go on a quick update on where we are with the gardening prep. You know, spring is coming, and see, I'll bug in my house already. So yeah man, spring is coming. I remember I showing a couple weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, I plant my cabbage and my lettuce inside the eggshells. Alright? So as you can see, in what? 2 weeks? Look at that. How big them is already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transplant them to bigger pots. You know? So they have more room to grow. Alright? So as what I said, I plant them inside the eggshells. And you see me now waste now the eggshell then. So literally all I have to do now is just scoop them out and transplant them. See there? Transplant them to a bigger pot. Alright? And for now I'm not take them out of the eggshell because still I get the protein from the eggshells. So literally just scoop them out using a regular spoon. Yeah. And just transplant them. I'm not gonna put like maybe two or three to a pot depending on if they're a single. I just want to grow by itself or so, you know? You see me have my indoor light. You don't like bugging at the house, you know? So, make him come back again, never get him. So yeah, that's what I say. Usually because I live in Maryland and we don't, we have to deal with winter, so you can't really plant things outside until the last frost, So essentially you have to plant everything indoors and you have to time it. In essence, close to when the last frost is gonna happen, so that way when you plant them outside there, that last frost will come through and come and kill all your crops, I love my little indoor. I do it every year. I love my little indoor garden, Okay. Nice and strong. It's to say the eggs make the transplant a lot easier. At some point, I'm going to separate them into individual plants once they get a little bit bigger and the stems get a lot stronger, you know? So once the stems get stronger, you can transplant them. And hopefully by then, I'll be able to just take them straight to the garden. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. Didn't have time to do, well, I never really do much cooking this weekend, which I don't know is very unusual for me. I don't know if I love to cook, but yeah, man, I'll do some more cooking later on at the weekend time outside I work on the bar, the outdoor bar and the gazebo there, you know. It's gonna be a nice entertainment center. Right, so we're almost done with our spoon. Yeah. And again, you know, I want to give thanks to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my faithful subscribers, and hopefully my new subscribers become faithful subscribers. But yeah, we are slowly climbing. We're building this thing, you know. We are at 38K, going for that 40K. You know, so slowly but surely getting there, you know, day by day. So I go and build it little by little. So we're not gonna make it no break up. So I'm gonna put this guy right in there. So then what we're gonna do, extra eggshell, and we're gonna just crush them up in there. So a little bit of extra calcium, you know? That's what I say, nothing goes to waste. Some people like to grind these up and blend them out, and powder them out, you know? So you can do that as well, if you want to. You know, when you transplant, you gotta put some water. You put them in a new soil, so they definitely need water. And that's why you're not gonna have it out, you know. You have to even know if I fly. Just know it says a bug. You can see, because they grow. I'm gonna tell you, with the greenhouse effect that I had in here, they grow a lot faster than normal. So if you slow down the growth process, because if they grow too fast, the stems are not strong enough to hold up the plant, you know. So you have to really pay attention to that as well. Get some more water. There we go. this water will be able to sustain him for a couple of days, you know. So that means I don't have to come in and water them every single day, because this tub will maintain that moisture. Alright, so we are done with that side. And what we're gonna do, just put them right back under the lantern. So now they can continue to grow. And now they have a little bit more space to operate. See me? There you go. So as you can see, I also have just buy this from the store. These are kiwi fruit. So again, we can't plant them outside yet, so we have to get them growing to a point where we can plant them outside. Once they make it through the spring, you know, they will survive the winter, the following winter, because they are perennial, so they do come back every year. And then over here, so I grew up some strawberry, same way, make those sprout up nice. And same thing with strawberries, they are perennials, so they come back every year. Once they take root good, they come back every year. So one thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish up the cabbage, then put them in the lettuce then. Put them in them pots, and then I'm gonna show you what I go on outside. Alright? So as I said, this was a little quick video, so they can just kind of keep track of what's going on. Because I feel like say work now going on, you know. Yeah man. We're busy man, we have a whole heap of things that go on, you know. And then we have a special thing that come up soon, so we see that as well. But in the meantime, I'm gonna finish put these together, move them to them pot, alright? And then so we can see. Get a little close up of what I go on here. So see them there? Everybody in them pot. And they are good to go. Alright? So check way out outside. I'm gonna show you what I go on outside so you can see what is next. Alright? So stay tuned. So yes, family. So as what I say, yeah man, we have everything just transplant and everything. So we're gonna make them grow a little bit bigger because we still wait for the last frost, you know. We don't want to plant them outside until the last frost pass. So it varies year to year. Alright, so as you can see, come on, we have the garden. We need to clean up, but again, we really not do nothing yet because as you can see, it's still cold. So I'm in my jacket. So yeah, so I'm planting bed them, yeah. I have three of them. I have the small one over there, so that I'm usually put my veggies like my scallion, onion, thyme, those small seasonings, and then put the bigger veggies over here. So that one yeah, are the big one, and then over here we have the smallest one, and we have some copper rods. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna explain that one there too no, later on. All right, so I'm going with the copper rods in the garden, but I'll give you a quick sneak peek of what I go on. So you know, so we start the project to build the outdoor bar. So I'm just giving a quick sneak peek so you know what I drop next, you know. Yeah man, that's what I said today was just a short video to update, you know, how we're there with the garden planting. But I'm gonna show you what I go on with the bar project. Check in. So yeah man, in the next video, as you can see, we reach already. Yeah, this is how far we reach. Still away on some more material to touch in, and then we're gonna complete our project. Yeah. So by the end of the week, yeah man, I get the full results of this one. Yeah, all right. So stay tuned to the channel, man. As what I always say, God bless. All right, and I'm gonna check in very shortly to see the ending of this project what I deal with. You know it go already. So soon for the next one. All right. God bless.